Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to make a local hosted chat app which work without internet. I was created one web page. This look like this. Here you have to enter your name, then set your name. Then you can start typing begin and send the messages. This web page I will upload it in NODE-MCU module. Let's start. First of all, create one folder and create data folder. Then put this HTML file and one text message file. I will give both of link in description. Then open app. Then open chat app program. Here you can see this is the chat app program, and also I will attach the DNS server CPP file and DNS server library.h file. Add these two files from sketch add files. Then go to chat app and attach from here. Then open. I was already open this file. Then you have to connect your NODE-MCU to the laptop. Then go to tools. Check the board. Go to tools. Then set board NODE-MCU. NODE-MCU 1.0 esp8266 module. Also check port which connected to common 10. First of all, we have to upload the HTML web page in NODE-MCU SPIP memory. Go to tools, click on esp8266 cache data uploader. I will attach the link of skip data folder how to install. You can see the SPIP image is uploading, which we are stored in data folder. Make sure all program files and HTML page which you have to store in one separate folder. The HTML page which copy in the data folder. After successfully uploading the SPIP image, you have to upload the chat app program. Click on upload. After successfully uploading the program, search for the you can see the esp8266 NODE-MCU module generate own one hotspot. This is a DNS server which work without internet. Then connect your laptop to this network. You can see here the one web page automatically open. Enter your name. Then set your name. I am also opening this chat app on my mobile phone. Then connect with chat app. After successfully completing connecting, it will ask for the sign in. Click on sign in. Your name. I am typing here my name. Then set name. Now I can chat with this app. Type here any name. I am typing hi. Then click on send. You can see here SAPRAHAS. Then I am typing here hi. Then click on send. You can see here Harish is also saying hi. I am typing here my laptop. How are you? Then click on send. You can also see on the mobile. It will showing how are you. This is a web camera view because they are showing inward image. Then I am typing on mobile and click on send. You can see Harish I am fine. You can attach here multiple members for doing chatting. This is a basically web page chat app which work without. Thanks for watching.